Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today we can discuss another types of polygons. Let us now again look another category or another type of polygon based on their shapes. They are convex and concave polygons. So let's first understand what are the convex polygons. Now convex polygons are those whose interior angle are less than 180 degrees. So when we talk about a convex polygon, here all the interior angles are less than 180 degree. So what does 180 degree? 180 degree straight angle. So this is 180 degree. So when we say anything less than 180 degree, this could be something like so angles are all less than 180 degrees. So let us look some of the examples of convex polygons. So you can look at this triangle. Now what are the interior angles? One and this one. All these less than 180. Even is less than 90 degree. So 180 would be the something be like how this bring angle. So here all of them less than 180 degree. Look at the pentagon. What we have interior angle in this pentagon? This is this and this. Now look any all of them all less than 180 degrees. Now give an example of an angle which is more than 180 degree. So when you look at this angle, for example, this angle is example of which is more than 180 degree, right? But this case we are taking only about interior angle and based on 180 degrees. So look at the square. So here all angles are 90 degrees, which is again less than 180 degrees. So it is also a convex polygon. So this is what signifies one with convex polygon. Which one is concave polygon? So you look all these example, they are all convex polygons. I am sure see here while you say convex, because the angles are less than 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So now that we have discussed this example of convex polygon, let's talk about concave polygons. The word concave already has the term cave in it. So when you look at these concave polygon, they would be give cave like structure. As you seen here, it gives cave like structure shapes. So the cave thing, so in concave polygon at least one interior angle is greater than 180 degree. Now long as interior less than 180 degrees, they remains convex, but moment any one angle is greater than 180 degrees, it became a concave. So if one is more than one interior angle is greater than 180 degree, then the type of polygon is a concave polygon. And the moment of this angle become greater than 180 degrees, it forms a cave like structure, like as you see in the first image here. You look at this angle, this is an interior angle. So this interior angle more than 180 degrees, because it have been something like still here, so more than 180 degrees, since more than 180 degree forming this cave like structure. Similarly it's more than, this is also a 180 degree, but these angles they are lesser than 180. Let us look at this diagram. So here you can see, look at this angle is more than 180 degrees, but other than these are angle less than 180, here have this angle more than 180. So wherever you have that angle greater than 180, there is a cave like thing. You have just one cave here, one cave here to four caves. This is our, that's greater than 180. Similarly in this diagram also have angles greater than 180 degrees. That is why these are concave polygons. So these are the two types of polygons that we come to across. Thank you, students. Just to remember that after watching this video, just write the notes and send it. Thank you.